Hello friends, I am Manisha Niphade, Junior College Teacher, Subject English, working in Rayat Shikshan Sanstha's Rao Bahadur Narendra Borauke College, Shri Rampur. In the last video, we have started the format of question paper. Let us see the fourth question. We have completed first three questions in the last video. All of you know that first question is on the scene passage, which you have seen in your textbook, and there was the B question. In first B, there was grammar, then second question was on unseen passage, and there was a summary. B question was summary, and third question we have seen it was about the poetry. Third A is poetry, and B is appreciation of the poem. Such a way we have seen the first three questions, and now we are going to know what is there in the question number 4. See, question number 4 is based on writing skills. Friends, when you are going in this, when you are confronting various activities, and you must know, at that time you must know how to write the things. And in this writing skill, there are various activities are given which will be helpful in your future life, in your career. That is why let us see what are those activities. See, question 4 is for 16 marks. First A is there. What is there? Drafting virtual messages. See, in the question number A, there are 3 alternatives, 3 options are there. Out of 3, you have to choose only one. See, 3 options: drafting virtual messages, statement of purpose, and group discussion. Let us see the first. Drafting virtual messages means when we are using technology and sending messages. See, there are various messages which we send through email, WhatsApp, Facebook, and things like which we use to send the messages. In these messages, we send various types of messages: positive messages, negative messages, motivational messages. These all messages are included in virtual messages. See, we must understand how to frame or how to structure such a type of messages. Then statement of purpose. See, this is also new for you. Drafting virtual messages is also new, and statement of purpose. When you want to take the admission in the foreign university or in some universities in India, there are statement of purpose is necessary. SOP, it is called the SOP. SOP, in this SOP, you have to write about yourself, your own information, your education, your aims, and your ambitions are expected in this SOP, statement of purpose. Then third option is group discussion. See, when you are going to work anywhere, or if there is any topic on which you want to discuss, there is argumentation. You must make your own argument, and there is logical statements are necessary, and conclusion is also expected. But you must be familiar with the discussion. You cannot take the decision one-sided. These 3 things are new in this syllabus. Now, out of these 3 things, you have to write only one, and there is 4 marks for this A. B, see what is there in B? Email, report writing, and interview. Actually, you are familiar with the 11th standard with these 3 things. These are not the new. Email, when we want to send the message or letter. See, nowadays nobody is sending the letter by post. By email, we can send the messages. In this email, your teacher will teach you what is the format, how to make your email address and things like that. Then next is report writing. See, when any event happens in your college, you can write the report of that event, or if you watched any accident, anything, you report it at your home. See, report writing is the activity included here. Third is interview. See, all of you have watched on the television that some eminent persons are interviewed by the other person or anchor. They ask the questions to the person and get the information about his own life, his success, his ambitions, etc. These three things are included in this B. Out of these three, you have to write only one, but you must know these three things. Let us see the C question. What is there in C question? Speech writing, comparing and expansion of idea. See, speech writing, the subject is given to you and you have to make the format. In format, you have to write the subject on which you are going to give a speech, means proper beginning, middle and end is expected there. Your own views are expected. Second is comparing. See friends, all of you have seen on the when watching the television, you have seen the anchor. Anchor is anchoring. It is called the comparing. He is connecting the event. The event is going on. He is connecting the things which are happening in that event. For example, he welcomes the people. Then he tells who is going to address. Then he in the last he says who is going to give vote of thanks. Such a way he connects the various things in that event and it is called the comparing. And next is expansion of idea. See, expansion of idea means one idea is given to you and you have to expand by using your own knowledge. See, there are various subjects on which you can give your own knowledge which you have understood till this time. There is where various subjects are given in your textbook. You can use your own concept and expand it. See, these three things are also included in 11th standard syllabus. That's why these are not new for you. Then out of these three, you have to write only one and it is for 4 marks. Then last is D question. See, there is review which you have learnt last year. What is there in review? When you watch the film or movie, you describe it to your friend. Means you tell the story, means theme, you explain the characters and climax, what is your own opinion. These all things are included in the review, film review. Then blog writing. See, blog writing, what is there in blog writing? It is the platform, technical or digital platform to express your own views. Online, it is online journal, informational website where you can make your own account and give your ideas or share your views on this account. It is the blog writing. Then appeal. See, appeal means if there is any event going to happen, you are expecting some person should participate in it and donate in it, you make the appeal. Appeal means request. Out of these three, you have to write only one. This question is for 4 marks. Each question is for 4 marks and whole question is for 16 marks. Now, next question, question number 5, which is the last question in our question paper. See, it is based on literary genre novel. Last year understood the drama. But now, this year, we are going to know about the novel. See, first question is question number 5A, complete the activities. See, here there is on history of novel is given there. Means what are the elements of novel, what are the types of novel, history of novel, these all things are given there, and there are 2 questions. Each question is for 2 marks. What type of questions will be there? See, in the A question, there will be MCQs. Means they are given, some options are given, multiple choice questions, options are given, and you have to choose one from them. Then match the columns. Then true and false sentences, write the true and false. Then fill in the blank places, and then write in chronological order, means historical, or how the events happen, you have to write there in chronology. Now this is the question number 5A, and it is for 4 marks. Next is question number 5B. What is there? Answer in about 50 words. See, question number 5B, C and D somewhat same questions, because their answers are expected in 50 words. 50 words means almost in 4 to 5 lines your answer is expected. At least in 4 lines you should write. See, this question, what will be there in this question? Describe any character. See, these questions are based on these things: plot of the novel, structure of the novel, which themes are running through the novel, what is the setting of the novel, language, what type of language is being used there, and characters in the novel. See, what type of questions are there? Describe the character, explain the situation, then compare 2 characters, contrast, name the situation, and discuss your own views, or your own opinion is expected there. See, in question number 5B, such a type of questions will be asked. This question is for 4 mark. Question number C is also same like the B, and question number D is also same like the B. Such a way, in question number 5, there are 4 A, B, C, D. 4 atoms are there, and each atom is for 4 marks. Such a way, this question paper format ends with the 80 marks, and remaining 20 marks are for oral exam. And let us see what is there in oral exam in our next video. Thank you.